Trigonometry Part 16.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, I will discuss few problems. So, see the next continuation problem. If a plus b plus c is 180, then prove that sin 2a minus sin 2b plus sin 2c is 4 cos a sin b cos c. See here, consider the LHS. So, what is LHS? Sin 2a minus sin 2b plus sin 2c. See here, we have to apply sin c minus sin d form. So this is c and this is d. So you know that sin c minus sin d, this is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. Now clearly c is 2a and d is 2b. So this is 2 cos c plus d, that is 2a plus 2b, divide by 2, and sin c minus d, that is 2a minus 2b by 2, plus sin 2c form. So 2 sin c cos c. Okay. Now this is what? 2 cos of a plus b sin of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. Now a plus b plus c is 180. See here given a plus b plus c is 180. So from this a plus b is equals to what? 180 minus c. Okay. Now here you want cos of a plus b value. So apply cos on both sides. So cos of a plus b is equals to cos of 180 minus c. So 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. So clearly cos gets negative sign and it is not changed. So therefore cos of a plus b is what? Minus cos c. So right here minus 2 cos c sin of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. So here in both terms 2 cos c is common. You will get sin c minus sin of a minus b. Okay. Now see here a plus b equals 180 minus c. Here apply sin on both sides. So sin of a plus b, sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta 1. So sin c write as sin of a plus b. So this is 2 cos c into sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So you know that sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, 2 cos a sin b. So this is 2 cos c into 2 cos a sin b. So here this is what? 4 cos a sin b cos c. Okay. This is the required answer. So try to solve question number 12. This is similar to this one, but here small change is there. Here a plus b plus c is 180, but here a plus b plus c is 90. Okay. So see the next question. A plus b plus c is 90. Then show that sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c is 1 minus 2 sin a sin b sin c. So see our solution. First we have to consider the LHS value. So what is that? Sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. Okay. See here sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. Okay. Now here in both terms minus is common. 1 minus of cos square a minus sin square b plus sin square c. So you know that cos square a minus sin square b form cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So this is 1 minus cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus sin square c. So but here given a plus b plus c is 90. See here a plus b plus c is equals to 90. So from this a plus b is equals to what? 90 minus c. So apply cos on both sides. So cos of a plus b is equal to cos of 90 minus c. So clear, this is what? Sin c. So therefore cos of a plus b can be written as sin c. So 1 minus sin c cos of a minus b plus sin square c. So in both terms sin c is common. So 1 minus sin c is common. You will get cos of a minus b minus sin c. Again how to write sin c? Cos of a plus b. So this is 1 minus sin c into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. This is 1 minus sin c into, so what is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b formula? So clear, that formula is 2 sin a sin b. Now this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin a sin b sin c. So this is the required answer. So let's see the 14th one. A plus b plus c is 0 is given. Then prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c value is 1 plus 2 cos a cos b cos c. So see our 14th solution. Consider the LHS value. So what is that? Cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c. Okay. Now cos square b can be written as here cos square a. This cos square b write as 1 minus sin square b plus cos square c. Now this is 1 plus cos square a minus sin square b plus cos square c. So you know that cos square a minus sin square b formula. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus cos square c. So but here given a plus b plus c is 0. A plus b plus c is equals to 0. So from this a plus b is equals to what? Minus c. So apply cos on both sides. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos of minus c. So what you get? Cos c. So we have to write cos of a plus b is cos c. So right here 1 plus cos c cos of a minus b plus cos square c. Again in both terms cos c is common. So 1 plus cos c is common. You will get cos of a minus b plus cos c. Again how to write cos c? Cos of a plus b. So this is equals to 1 plus cos c into cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. So you know that cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula. So that is 2 cos a cos b. Okay. So right here 1 plus cos c into 2 cos a cos b. So clear, this is equal to what? 1 plus 2 cos a cos b cos c. So this is the RHS. So try to solve question number 15. This is similar to question number 14. So but here a plus b plus c equals to 0 given. Here a plus b plus c equals to 3 pi by 2 is given. So that is the difference. Okay. So here next question. A plus b plus c plus d is 2 pi. Then prove that this value is 4 cos a plus b cos a plus c cos a plus b. Okay. See your solution. See here we can consider either LHS or RHS. Okay. Now I am considering RHS. So what is that? 4 cos a plus b cos a plus c cos a plus d. Okay. Now how to write this 4? So 2 into 2, that is 2 cos A plus B cos A plus C into cos A plus B. So you know that 2 cos A cos B form. So what is that? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So clearly here A is A plus B and B is A plus C. So we have to apply 2 cos A cos B formula here. So what you get? 2 into cos of, add these two. So what you get? 2A plus B plus C plus, so subtract these two. So A get cancelled, you will get B minus C into cos of A plus D. Now we have to multiply cos of A plus D inside. See what you get? 2 into cos 2A plus B plus C into cos of A plus D. Next, plus 2 cos of B minus C into cos of A plus D. Now again apply 2 cos A cos B formula. So this is cos of A plus B. We have to add these two. 2A plus A. So A plus B plus C plus D. And subtract these two. So what you get? Plus cos of 2A minus A. A next plus B plus C. Here minus D. Because of we have to subtract these two angles. Next here, again we have to apply 2 cos A cos B formula. This is cos of A plus B. We have to add these two angles and write in order. A plus B minus C plus D plus cos of, subtract these two angles. So what you get? B minus of C plus A plus B. Okay. Now here given A plus B plus C plus D equals to 2 pi. How to write B plus C plus D? See here, A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 2 pi. From this, B plus C plus D is equals to 2 pi minus A. So right here, B plus C plus D is what? 2 pi minus A. So cos of 2 pi minus A plus 3A. You will get minus 2A. Okay. So next here, A plus B plus C. How to write A plus B plus C? So send D right side. So A plus B plus C is equals to 2 pi minus D. So right here, plus cos of 2 pi minus D minus D. So 2 pi minus 2D. And cos of A plus B plus D. So how to write A plus B plus D? That is 2 pi minus C. So simply this is 2 pi minus C minus C minus 2C. So next cos of B minus A plus C plus D. So A plus C plus D write as 2 pi minus B. So minus of 2 pi minus B. Okay. Now this can be written as, this is 360 minus theta, lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is cost. This is cos 2A, this is cos 2D, and next one cos 2C. Last one cos, how to write this one? Minus of 2 pi minus 2. So this is cos 2A plus cos 2D plus cos 2C. So you will get cos of minus theta is cos theta, and cos of 360 minus theta cos 2. That is cos 2. So this is LHS. So next see the question number 17 solution. A plus B plus C equals to S. Then prove that this value is this. Okay. So here we have to consider either LHS or RHS. So here I am considering RHS. What is that? 4 cos S minus A by 2 cos s minus b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay. So after this for 2 into 2. So this is 2 into 2 cos s minus a by 2 cos s minus b by 2 into sin c by 2. So you know that 2 cos a cos b form. So here 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So here we have to apply this formula here. So what you get? 2 into cos of a plus b. So here we have to add these two. Here denominators are equal. So you have to add the numerators. S plus s. 2s. Here minus a minus b. So minus is common. You will get minus of a plus b by 2. Next cos of a minus b. So we have to subtract these two angles because of denominators are equal. So here s minus s get cancelled. Minus a minus into minus b. You will get plus b. So b minus a by 2 into sin c by 2. And multiplying sin c by 2 inside. So what you get? 2 in cos 2s minus a plus b. See here given a plus b plus c is equals to 2s and c is equals to what? 2s minus of a plus b. So therefore 2s minus a plus b write as c. So cos c by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay. Next one plus 2 cos b minus a by 2 into sin c. Okay. So you know that sin c form 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Next one 2 cos a sin b form, that is sin of a plus b minus sin of a. So you have to apply these two formulas here. So it is in the form of 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. So write as sin c. Okay. So sin c. Next plus 2 cos a sin b form, sin of a plus b. So we have to add these two angles. So sin of a plus, see here you have to add these two angles, b minus a plus c. That is b plus c minus a divided by 2. So next you have to subtract these two angles. So minus sin of b minus a minus c, that is b minus of a plus c divided by 2. Now here how to write b plus c? 2s minus a. See here b plus c is equals to 2s minus a and a plus c is equals to 2s minus b. Now this is what? Sin c plus sin of, how to write b plus c? 2s minus a, again minus a. This is 2s minus 2a by 2 minus sin of b minus a plus c, 2s minus b. Okay, so this is minus 2s minus b, minus into minus plus b. So you will get 2b minus 2s by 2. Now how to write this one? Sin c plus sin of s minus a. Here minus is common, sin of minus theta is sin theta. So you will get plus sin of s minus b. So this is the required answer. So now try to solve question number 18. So this is similar to question number 17. Here terms are sum of the sin terms. Here sum of the cos terms. So that is the difference. See the next question. A plus b plus c is 2s. Then prove that this is 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. So see a solution. So consider RHS. So what is that? 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Okay. Now this can be written as 2 into 2. So 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Okay. Now we have to apply 2 cos a cos b form. So this is what? Cos of a plus b. So cos of a plus b by 2 plus cos of a minus b by 2 into cos of c by 2. And again multiply cos c by 2 inside. So what you get? 2 cos a plus b. How to write a plus b? 2s minus c. Or write as this. Into cos c by 2 plus 2 cos a minus b by 2 cos c by 2. And again apply 2 cos a cos b form. That is cos of a plus b. You have to add these two. That is a plus b plus c by 2. And subtract these two. Plus cos of a plus b minus c by 2. Here also apply same formula. Cos of a minus b plus c by 2. Next plus cos of. Subtract these two angles. A minus of b plus c by 2. Now given a plus b plus c is equals to 2s. From this a plus b is equals to 2s minus c. And b plus c is equals to 2s minus a. And a plus c is equals to 2s minus b. So you have to substitute these values. Now cos of a plus b plus c, 2s divided by 2. Now cos of a plus b is what? 2s minus c. Again minus c. So 2s minus 2c by 2. And here plus cos of. How to write a plus c? 2s minus b. Again minus b. So 2s minus 2b by 2. Plus cos of a minus of b plus c. A minus of b plus c होगा. Here a minus of b plus c. Here a minus of 2s minus c. So a plus a 2a. So this is 2a minus 2s by 2. So how to write this one? Cos s plus cos s minus c plus cos s minus b. So this is what? Cos of a minus s. So this can be also written as cos of s minus c. So this is the required answer. So for next session we will discuss new chapter